the preparation of truth table for Boolean algebraic expression. So let us study how to prepare the truth table for 2 variable and 3 variable expression. So first let us study about the 2 variables. Two variable expressions. So see here. So we have different expressions. So see the first one, x complement y complement plus x complement y. So how many variables are there? Don't count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So count only the letters. So there are only 2 letters. That is x and y. They are called variables. Okay? X complement, y complement are their complements only. Therefore, in the first expression, there are only 2 variables. That is x and y. X and y only. Okay? See this second equation. In this expression, this is the 3 variable because see x into y plus z complement plus x into y. So here the 3 variables are x, y, z. Okay? See the third one. This is also 3 variable expression because it contains the 3 variables, that is a, b and c. Now let us take the first one. That is for 2 variable. So we have x complement, y complement plus x complement, y. For 2 variables, the number of different possibilities are, we can have the general equation, that is 2 to the power of n. For 2 variable, you can write in the place of n 2, that is equal to 4. So we have different 4 combinations in the 2 variable. So first take the individual variables, that is x and y. While preparing the truth table, first write what are the individual variables, that is x, y. Okay. Then see the complements. So here we have the complement for both the things. Here x complement is there, y complement is there, x complement. So we need x complement and y complement. The first thing, write the individual variables. Okay, here in this case x, y. Then write its complement. That is, we need x complement as well as we need y complement. Then see the bracket. If there is any bracket, means solve it first. Okay. In this second expression, we have this bracket. First, we have to solve this bracket. Otherwise, see the product. Okay. Next, go for product. So we have this one, x complement into y. This is a product. X complement into y. That is a product. We have to solve that one first. That is x complement y. Next is x complement y. Then the final thing. Okay, we got x complement y complement. We got x complement y. You can write the final one. X complement y complement plus x complement y. So this is, so that we got all the columns. Okay. So we got all the columns here. Now how to give the input for x and y? Okay, since we have only 4 different combinations, we can use 4 different rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is enough because for 2 variable, write the general equation 2 to the power of n, that is 2 to the power of 2. In the nth place means 2 variable. So 2 to the power of 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4. We have 4 different combinations. Okay, so we have one trick how to write the inputs. So we need x and y. Okay, right here in the reverse order 1, 2. We know the binary numbers. Okay, that is for 0 we write 0 0 1 0 1, like this we write. Okay, see this number 2 to the power of 2 means 4. just divide 4 by 2, we get 2. Write that 2 here in the first column. Then once again we got 2. Divide that 2 by 2, we will get 1. Write that 1 here. Okay, because to get the different values here. So 1 means just write 1 0 1 alternatively. 1 0 1s 1. Okay. Once again 1 0 1s 1. So next is 2. 2 means write 2 zeros 2 1s. Okay. So very simple thing, because we know the binary orders, that is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, like this. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power 1, that is that thing only, that is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Like this it goes on. For the first column write 1, next column for 2. If there is another column means you can write the 4, not 3. Okay. So if you write 1 means write 1 0 1s 1. 1 0 1s 1 alternatively. Next 2 means 2 zeros 2 1s, because we have only 4 different combinations. So no number is repeated, because actually this is what is this? 0 0 means that is 0 1 in binary number. So this represent 0. What is 0 1? In the binary number it is 1. Okay. So what is 1 0? 1 0 is nothing but the 2. It represent 2. 1 1, it is nothing but 3. See, no number is repeated, so that we fulfilled all the cells. So this is the primary thing we have to do while preparing the any truth table. See once again, write the expression. What is the expression? X complement y complement plus x complement y. See how many variables are there. Here only 2 variables. Which are there? X, y. So don't count like this 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 2 variables, that is x and y. Okay. So it is only the complements only. We can get that values afterwards. First write the individual variables, that is x, y. Then if there is any complement means write the next column. We have x complement and y complement. Then just see whether any bracket is there means. Bracket means first you have to solve that one. Otherwise go for products. We have 2 products here. That is x complement into y complement. X complement into y. Then once we got these 2 values, we can write the final thing. Okay. So next you have to give the input values. No number should be repeated. So that we have to use general equation, that is 2 to the power of n. For 2 variables you have to write 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. Okay. How to write the values? If you know the binary numbers means you can blindly give the inputs, that is for 0 0 0, for 1 0 1, for 2 1 0, for 3 1 1. Otherwise, so use this trick. So total number of variables are, combinations are 4. Divide 4 by 2, we will get 2. Write in the first column. Then once again divide 2 by 2, you will get 1. Write in the next column. Or you can write like this. From the reverse order, 1, 2, if there is anything means 4, next anything means double it, 8, like that. Okay. 1 means just write once 0, once 1. 0, 1 alternatively. If there is 2 means 2 zeros, 2 1s. So you have to stop it, because we need only the 4 combinations. Now find the complement of x. The complement of 0 is right here, because we need complements. Complement of 0 is 1, complement of 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0, complement of 1 is 0. Okay. Next we need y complement. See this column. 0. 0's complement is 1. 1's complement is 0. 0's complement is 1. 1's complement is 0. Okay. Next see these things. Here there are 2 variables, x complement and y. You have to multiply this thing. This is AND relation. Okay. So in AND, we know x complement this thing. This is x complement. This one is y. We have to multiply these two columns. This is AND relation. 0 and 1, or just multiply 0 into 1. That is, we will get 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 0, 0. Okay. Similarly, in the same manner, obtain the values for this one, x complement y. So this is x complement, this is y. Okay. So we got x complement y. We need, this one is x complement y. Okay. Because x complement y here, this thing is x complement to y complement. So we need these two columns. That is x complement y complement. Okay. See, x complement y complement, this term x complement y complement, that is multiplication 1 into 1, that is AND relation. 1 and 1 is always 1. 1 and 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Okay. So finally we need the two variables. We already got x complement y complement and x complement y. So we have to use these two columns. Okay. These two columns. That is, this is addition or relation, or 0 or 1, that is 1. Okay. Or 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0. So this is the final thing what we needed for this Boolean expression. So this is how we can prepare a Boolean, a truth table for the two variable Boolean algebraic expression. I hope you understood this, how to prepare truth table for two variables. So next we shall see how to prepare truth table for three variables. For three variables, the same manner you have to proceed. Three variables. So in this expressions we have the second one or the third one. Let us take the third one. That is a plus a into, so in the bracket we have b complement plus c. Okay. See here. Let us take this last one. A into, within the bracket we have one more bracket, b complement plus c complement. First find the individual variables, that is a, b, c. Okay. So you write a, b, c. Then find the complements, that is we have two complements. It is b complement here, c complement, there is no a complement. So we need b complement, we need c complement. Okay. So then find the inner bracket. So go for inner bracket, this one. First solve this one. That is b complement plus c. Because we have here b complement, we have c. We can find b complement c. Then solve this outer bracket. We have two things. So we have already got b complement plus c. Add c to this because already we have c here. So that what we can write here, b complement plus c complement. Okay. So finally we can have this value. Okay. Now for three variables, so how many possibilities are there? We have general equation 2 to the power of n, that is 2 to the power of 3. 3 means for 3 variables. So what is the value for 2 to the power of 3? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. We will have 8 different combinations. So you can use 8 rows. Okay, 8 different combinations. Like this, you can have 8 different rows. So now let us see the different inputs, what we can write. Okay, if you use the earlier tricks, okay, means you can write here, this is 1, this is 2, next is not 3, that is 4, next is 8. So here you can give the input. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 rows. Okay, so now on the C you can just mention 1, on the B just mention 2, next mention 4. Okay, so we can substitute. 1 means 1 0 1, alternatively 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, next 2 means just substitute 2 0 2 1s, 2 0 2 1s, finished. Next 4 means just substitute 4 times 0, 4 times 1. All input is 4, because this represent in the binary number, that is 0. Next number represents 1. Next represents 0 1 0 means that is 2. 0 1 1 means it is nothing but 3. 1 0 0 means that is nothing but 4. 1 0 1 means that is 5. 1 1 0 means that is 6. 1 1 means that is actually 7. No number is repeated. If you follow this trick, you can write the inputs. 1, 2, next is 4, next means you have to write 8. So next what you have to do? We have to find the B complement. Where is B? It is B. So if 0 is here, just write complement of 0 is 1. Complement of 0 is 1. Complement of 0 is 1. Complement of 1 is 0. Like this, you can write the complement of B here. Okay. Next is the C complement. We need C, this column. Okay. Find the complement of 0, that is 1. So complement of 1 is 0. Complement of 0 is 1. Complement of 1 is 0. Like this, you can write. You can fill the table. Next what we need? B complement plus C. It is B complement. This one is C. B complement C. We need these two columns. Okay. This is addition or relation. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, that is 1. Don't write 2, that is 1 or 1. 1 or 1 is 1 only. True or true is true. Okay. So 0 plus 0, that is 0. Like this you can fill the table. So next what we require? B complement plus C, it is here, plus C complement. Okay, these two columns. So B complement plus C, it is here, plus C complement, it is here. Okay, so this is addition. 1 or 1, true or true, or relation, or 1 plus 1 is 1 only. Okay, in the computer science 1 plus 1 is 1 only here. Okay, don't write 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. So then we got B complement plus C complement. The whole thing we got here. Then what have to do? We have to multiply with A. Where is A? The first one. Okay, that means we require the first column and last column. that is multiplication here. This is AND relation. 0 into 1, that is 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Like this, if you proceed means you can write all the cells. So this is how we prepare the truth table for 3 variable Boolean algebraic expressions. See once again, the 3 variable means what is the general equation? 2 to the power of n. That is 2 to the power of 3 means 8. We will get 8 different combinations. How to see how to write the inputs? Just see the expression. If there is 3 variable means a, b, c, just write a, b, c. Okay. Then you can, if you know the binary number, just write for 0, 0, 0, 0. Just write for 1, 0, 0, 1. If you don't know, if you forget the binary numbers means, just write 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4. This order. Okay, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. Okay, just write 1, 2, 4. 1 means 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, next 2. 2 means 2 zeros, 2 ones. 2, 0, 2 ones. Next 4 means 4 zeros, 4 ones. Okay, so next, see the next columns. While writing the columns, first write the individual variables, then write the complements, then see if there is any bracket means within the bracket see the products. Otherwise, write that one. Then, okay, you can proceed like that. Understood? So, if you try more and more truth table, you can write any truth table very easily. So, thank you for watching this video. For the next updates, please watch our video. Thank you.